Welcome back to our part 2 video of today's assignment, and as you all know that today we are doing English literature chapter number 4, that is the monkey band. Now children, I hope you all have understood the whole story, and I hope you all have watched my part 1 video today which I gave you, in which I have explained you the whole story and I have read it also. So I hope children that you all have read this story 2 or 3 times at your home, and now in this video, part 2 video, I'm going to give you one notebook exercise. Is that clear to you all? So are you all ready children? Very good. But before starting with the story, I want to give you a short recap of the story children, in which I will just give you children by which children you will come to know that how you will answer the questions. Okay, very easily I will explain you the story, so again in a very short manner, so that you can give the answers on your own. Is that clear? So you all ready for this video? Very good. So first of all children, the story was of all about a boy who was living in jungle, and his name was Mowgli, and he was very happy and he was singing a song. Okay, he was singing a merry song, and suddenly he met his friend Baloo the bear, okay, on the way, and the bear, his friend Baloo the bear just told Mowgli that you are a very good singer, your song is very nice, I wish that I could make a sound for your song, okay, music for your song, but I cannot make that. So after he said this, suddenly there was a noise from above the trees. Okay, so when they looked up, they saw that the monkeys were howling and shrieking, they were making a loud noise, and then the monkeys chattered. They were talking to them that we have listened that what you are talking about, and please don't worry, we will make music for you. Okay, we will prepare a music for you. But then Baloo the bear asked them that how will you make this music, as you all don't have any kind of musical instrument like guitars or pianos or anything. So they just laughed and they said that we don't need any of them, we will make sound naturally. Okay, then they just jumped on an oak tree, they just jumped on in the hollow trunk of the oak tree which was lying there, and then they started tapping it, hitting it, okay, with their hands, and they made a sound out of it. Then the next sound was of gods. So what happened next? Some of the monkeys brought some gods like which were having seeds in them, okay, and they started shaking those gods to make the sounds like rattles, okay, like toys which small kids play with. Okay, so they started shaking them to make the sound of rattles. Then next in the last, they what they did, they tied the vines of the branches and started playing with those vines as guitars, okay, and they made a sound of guitar out of those vines. Okay, so after listening to this, Mowgli appreciated that this was a very nice sound which you all made. What happened children? Mowgli again started singing his song, and all the monkeys started playing the band. So the monkey band also started playing the music with his song, with Mowgli's song. So after listening to the song and the music, Baloo the bear was so excited that he also wanted to dance and sing. So how did he started singing? Boppity doo da, boppity doo. So this was his signature step, or you can say this was his sound which he sang. Okay, so they were all very happy, they had a great time with each other, and then they were all very happy with each other. So that is all in the story children. Now we are going started with our notebook exercise. So for that you have to take out your English literature notebook. Is that clear? And then turn to a new page. So first of all, children, I will show you that what all work we have done before. So as you can see, this work I have written in a same notebook, but this work, the first exercise which I gave you was of hard words, and these there are 12 hard words for this chapter, and this work has to be done in your English practice notebook. Is that clear? And I hope you all have done that. Then next we have done our first exercise, that is of words. We have completed with our part 1 exercise, that was a part of word meanings, and in all there were, as you can see, 8 word meanings which we have which I told you to complete, and I have explained you also. So I hope you all have completed till here in your English literature notebook. Now today we are going to start with our new exercise, that is of fill in the blanks. So first of all, as you all know, children, that you have to write down today's date, and when we will do these fill in the blanks, first of all I will read the sentence, I will explain it to you with the answer, and then I will explain you the answer with its spelling. So you have to listen each and every part of this video very, very carefully. Okay, so first thing which you have to do is to write down today's date, that is 12/7/2021. Then in the first line again you will give the heading of chapter number 4, that is the monkey band, and then in the next line you will put the heading as part B, fill in the blanks, the exercise which we are going to do today. Okay, so children, are you all ready for fill in the blanks today? Very good. So the first sentence for our fill in the blanks is Mowgli was singing a dash song. मोगली जब वॉक करते करते सॉन्ग गा रहा था तो वो कैसा सॉन्ग गा रहा था? ही वॉज सिंगिंग अ मेरी सॉन्ग. सो व्हाट विल बी योर आंसर? MERRY, merry song. Is that clear to you all? Children, coming to the second fill in the blanks, second part. So I am reading the sentence of second part, that is the monkeys jumped over to the hollow trunk of an dash tree. कैसी ट्री थी? कौन सी ट्री थी जिस पे मंकीज ने जंप किया था? उसके हॉलो ट्रंक पे. इट वॉज एन ओक ट्री. सो योर आंसर इज, एज यू कैन सी हियर, OAK, oak. Okay, oak tree. So the monkeys jumped over to the hollow trunk of an oak tree. Now coming to the third sentence, monkeys brought dried dash to make a sound. Now some monkeys brought dried, what did they bring? Dried gourds with seeds to make a sound of rattles. So your answer is gourds. So the spelling is GOURDS, gourds. Is that clear? Monkeys brought dried gourds to make a sound of rattles. Is that clear? Now coming to the next page, next sentence, that is monkeys tied the vines of branches to play like dash. Now when the monkeys tied the vines of the branches, when they tied all the vines which are very thin, so when they tied all the vines of the branches, so why did they tie them? To play like guitars. Okay, so here your answer will be guitars. GUITARS, guitars. Is that clear? So I hope you all have understood. Fourth sentence also, monkeys tied the vines of branches to play like guitars. Is that clear? Now coming to the last part, that is the fifth part of this exercise, that is Mowgli sang his song and his monkey dash played with him. When Mowgli started again singing his song, then what happened? His monkey dash played with him. Monkeys का क्या था? Band. So what is the correct answer? BAND, band. You will write in the blank. So your sentence will be Mowgli sang his song and his monkey band played with him. Is that clear to you all? I hope you all have understood it very clearly. Once again I am repeating this exercise with you all. So listen to it very, very carefully. As you all know, first of all you will write down today's date. Then in the first line the heading of your chapter with its number. Then in the next line the heading of your exercise which you are going to do today. That is part B, fill in the blanks. Now coming to the first part, Mowgli was singing a dash song. It was a merry song. MERRY, merry song. Second sentence, the monkeys jumped over to the hollow trunk of an dash tree. That was which tree it was? It was an oak tree. O-A-K, oak. Then coming to the third part, monkeys brought dried dash to make a sound. What did the monkeys brought which was very dried with seeds inside it? It was, those were gourds, and they played the sound of rattles out of gourds. Gourds, gourds. Now turn the page, and then the fourth sentence, monkeys tied the vines of branches to play like dash. That was, they played with the vines as which musical instrument? As the guitars. Like guitars, Guitars, guitars. Is that clear? And the last one is, Mowgli sang his song and his monkey Dash played with him. So when Mowgli started singing his song again, so the monkey band played with him. So that is all, children, for today's video. I hope you all have understood very clearly. So I hope that you will all complete this work, today's assignment, in your English literature notebooks positively by today, as tomorrow we are going to start with other exercises. So I want you all to complete this much work. Very easy and short exercise this is. So please make sure that you complete this work and do the reading part at least twice or thrice at home, and make sure that you listen first the first part of the video very carefully, so that you can understand the correct pronunciation of each and every word. Is that clear? So till my next video, children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.